Composite kitchen sinks. Is the premium price worth it? Thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Composite kitchen sinks are becoming a top choice, but are they really worth the higher price? Let's find out. Composite sinks are made from natural granite or quartz mixed with strong acrylic resins. This creates a tough, durable surface that looks elegant and feels premium. One of their biggest advantages is durability. They resist scratches, chips, stains, and everyday wear much better than many traditional sink materials. They also handle high temperatures surprisingly well. You can place hot pots and pans inside without worrying about damaging the surface under normal kitchen use. Another reason homeowners love them is their stylish appearance. Composite sinks come in beautiful colors like black, gray, white, and beige, matching almost any modern kitchen design. Maintenance is simple too. Regular cleaning with mild soap keeps the sink looking fresh, and the non-porous surface helps resist bacteria and odors. However, premium quality comes at a higher price. Composite sinks usually cost significantly more than basic stainless steel models and are also heavier, requiring proper cabinet support during installation. So, are they worth it? If you want a long-lasting, attractive sink with excellent performance and don't mind paying more upfront, the answer is yes. But if your budget is tight, stainless steel still offers excellent value. Which sink would you choose for your dream kitchen? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home improvement tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.